Hello! In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTR 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the upper button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called preferences and tap on it, and here scroll down, find the option called watch language and select it. And as you can see, we have the list of languages right here. We can scroll through it by swiping up and down on the screen. Now find the language you would like to use on your watch and then tap on it to select it. And once you select the language, it's gonna be applied on your watch. And once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.